Hi everybody, welcome to Decode Australia. Hope you all had a great weekend. It's Monday, October the 12th, 2020. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the AUDUSD Analysis.
The Australian dollar skyrocketed against the US dollar on Monday, increasing the price of the Aussie-US pair to more than 0.7200 ahead of the release of US Consumer Price Index, exclude food and energy news.
Now, the Aussie-US is currently strengthening around the 72.40. On the upside, if you look at the chart closely, you'll come across the following resistance levels. At resistance 1 is 72.64, which is the high of August 18, so that's way back. Second resistance is 73, which is the psychological level. And finally, the third resistance is at 74.10, which is a major horizontal resistance level.
On the downside, the price of the Aussie-US might find some critical support levels. At support 1, which is at 0.7137, which is the lower trend line arm, and support 2 is at 0.7064, which is the confluence of a horizontal and trend line support. And at support 3 is at 0.7025, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci level support.
Now, here's for some fundamental news. The US Consumer Price Index, excluding food and energy news. So the US Department of Labor Statistics plans to release numbers concerning the US Consumer Price Index, excluding food and energy, tomorrow, which is October 13th. According to economists' consensus, the US Consumer Price Index reached the reading of 0.2% in September as compared to a reading of 0.4% in the previous month.
The US Consumer Price Index, exclude food and energy, reflects price movement in the retail price of various products and services selected from a representative shopping basket on a sampling basis. To avoid bias calculations, the figure for the US Consumer Price Index excludes the price of volatile products such as food and energy. Generally speaking, a high reading is seen as positive for the US dollar, hence suggests a bearish market for the Aussie-US pair and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, given the economic outlook of the Aussie-US over the last couple of days, buying the pair around the current levels might be a worthwhile decision in the short to medium term trading. Now let's move on to the pound-yen analysis.
The Great Britain pound inched higher against the Japanese yen on Monday, increasing the price of the pound yen to more than 137, ahead of release of UK ILO Unemployment rate news. That's
right, it did go up a fair bit. Now, the pound yen is currently trading around the 137.82. You'll need to keep an eye on a few resistance levels. At resistance 1 is at 138.35, which is the high of September 10 this year. Second resistance is the 139 psychological level. And finally, the third resistance is the 139.52, which is the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level.
That's right. And on the downside, there are a few support levels in the following prices. And support 1 is at 135.97, which is a major horizontal support. Support 2 is at 135.17, which is the low of September 30th. And support 3 is at 134.38, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci level support.
Okay, looking at the fundamentals for UK ILO Unemployment rate news. The National Statistics UK is all set to release stats concerning the ILO Unemployment rate news tomorrow, which is Tuesday, October the 13th. The UK ILO Unemployment figures reveals the percentage of unemployed workers out of the total civilian workforce.
ILO unemployment increasing figure means a lack of expansion in the UK labour market. The UK ILO unemployment rate is considered an important economic indicator. Generally speaking, a higher reading in this regard suggests a bearish market for the pound yen and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, considering the price movement of the pair over the past few days, buying the pound yen around the current levels might be a good decision for both short-term and long-term trading. But as always, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, and pay close attention to strict money and risk management techniques.
Yes, and please also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos and share to your friends. And don't forget to follow our Facebook page and also our Instagram at Forex Decoded.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Bye.